students, now let us know about the mitochondria and plastids. They both are double membranous structure, double membranous cell organelles. Mitochondria is also called powerhouse of the cell. It is also called powerhouse of the cell. See this diagram properly. In this diagram you can see mitochondria is double walled just like a thermos. And outer membrane is smooth. Outer membrane is smooth. But inner membrane is folded inwardly like fingers. So inwardly finger-like projections are there called cristae. What they are called? Cristae. This cristae and both inner membrane have stalked. They have stalked F1 particles for generation of energy in the form of ATP. Here only energy is generated in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. There are some spaces between both the membrane and these spaces are filled with gel-like proteinous substance. Gel-like proteinaceous substance called matrix. What it is called? Matrix. Do you know what are found in matrix? Matrix में respiratory enzymes पाए जाते हैं and these respiratory enzymes are necessary for oxidation of glucose. Oxidation of glucose means burning of glucose. As the glucose is burnt, in the presence of oxygen, energy is released. And this energy is released in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. You know, mitochondria have their own genetic system. क्योंकि इनके पास इनका अपना DNA एंड RNA होता है. वो न्यूक्लियर से थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है. वो न्यूक्लियर के जेनेटिक मटेरियल से डिफरेंट होता है. बट दे कैन रेप्लिकेट ऑन देयर ओन. इसीलिए इन्हें हम सेमी ऑटोनोमस ऑर्गेनेल्स भी कहते हैं. इसे हम सेमी ऑटोनोमस ऑर्गेनेल्स भी कहते हैं. So what is the function of mitochondria? Mitochondria provide energy for various metabolic function. Mitochondria energy supply करता है जितनी भी metabolic functions होते हैं सेल में उनके लिए. And इसी कारण से this is what these are called powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Now let us know about the plastids. Plastids means what? The kitchen of the cell. Plastids are also called kitchen of the cell. And this is also a largest cell organelles found in plant cells only. These plastids are not found in animal cells. This is double membranous structure, oval in shape, spherical or discoidal you can say. Plastids are basically of three types. Chloroplast, leucoplast and chromoplast. Chloroplast, leucoplast and chromoplast. Chromoplast have some colorful pigments like yellow, orange and red. And they are mostly present in the petals of flowers and fruits. Means what? Chromoplast provide color to the flowers and fruits. And this coloring pigments present in them are xanthophyll. Yellow color को हम xanthophyll कहते हैं और keratin, red and orange को हम keratin कहते हैं. Yellow color is xanthophyll and red and orange is called xanthophyll. Leucoplast. Leucoplast are colorless plastids. They are colorless plastid. They have not any colorful pigments. But it stores starch. It stores starch means glucose. In storage form of glucose, when the glucose is stored, they are stored in starch form. So they store starch. Proteins are also and lipids are also stored. Cells of potatoes, tubers, rice grains and maize grains have abundant of leucoplast. They have abundant of leucoplast. So now let us know about the chloroplast. What is this chloroplast? Chloroplast is found only in green parts of the plant. Whatever green parts are there of the plants, they are found there. Why? Because it consists green color of pigment called chlorophyll, which is needed for the synthesization of food by the process of photosynthesis. Yellow and orange pigments are also present, but they are masked, hidden. They are hidden by the large quantity of green color pigments called chlorophyll. Inside chloroplast, you can clearly distinguish into the colorless ground matrix called stroma and a membranous system called grana. Grana is stack-like structure coins like stacks known as grana. And where the grana is not present, that is a matrix which is known as stroma. What it is called? Stroma. You know these sacs, each sac is called thylakoids. Single sac is called thylakoid. And chlorophyll along with other pigments such as carotenoids are present in thylakoid. थैलेक्वाइड में सिर्फ क्लोरोफिल ही नहीं, कैरेटिनॉइड भी होते हैं. अभी जस्ट मैंने आपको बताया जैंथोफिल एंड कैरेटीन्स आर ऑल्सो फाउंड. सो क्लोरोप्लास्ट also contains their own DNA and RNA and ribosomes like mitochondria. So they can synthesize their own protein and also have the capacity to replicate. Just like mitochondria, they can also replicate. Hence, chloroplasts are also called semi-autonomous bodies. मैंने अभी जस्ट बताया आपको माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के बारे में कि उसे हम सेमी ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी बोलते हैं. ठीक उसी तरह प्लास्टिड के क्लोरोप्लास्ट को भी हम सेमी ऑटोनोमस बॉडी बोलते हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट? फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज फोटोसिंथेसिस, द प्रोसेस बाय विच सोलर एनर्जी इज ट्रैप्ड बाय द क्लोरोफिल एंड फूड इज मेड. सो क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज कॉल्ड और प्लास्टिड इज कॉल्ड द किचन ऑफ द सेल. Second function, it provides color to the fruits, flowers and different parts of the plant. Third, they store food. They store food, either fat, protein or carbohydrate. And one very important function is generation of oxygen. Chloroplasts utilize atmospheric carbon dioxide and generate oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. I hope you all have understood. So, thank you all of you. And please like it.